Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead. And today we're going to talk about grow bags. Okay, so today I want to talk to you guys about grow bags. All of y'all that were hit hard by the hurricane this year, and you guys have been talking about how you are scared to plant in your ground or use your compost. This is an alternative for you guys, and it comes from Super-Sod, our soil cubed sponsor for our Grow Food Not Lawns, one of our sponsors. These are cool little bags that they have that you can fill up with some soil-free compost and plant a tomato in, and then companion plant around it with some basil, radishes, garlic, onions in these grow bags. These grow bags stand up really good to the weather. You can water in them and you don't have to worry about it messing up the bag. Alright, so let's say you don't want to have a bunch of those bags all over your front lawn. Well, Soil Cubed has your back because they have a larger bag that they call their root bag. Now this is a 100-gallon bag. Now what we did was, because you know how we love hugelkultur, and so we put a layer of leaves, then a layer of freshly cut grass. Then we filled the rest of it up with the soil cubed compost. Then we planted the long black Spanish radishes. Now the reason why I chose those is because radishes are very fast. It's like 8 weeks and they'll be up, so that way you guys can see how well this bag does with the soil cubed compost in it. We're very excited about it. When we're done with the radishes, we're going to switch to another type of root crop. We may throw some onions in there, or some like a garlic, or we may just go ahead. You can also plant other things like tomatoes and peppers and squash. I may throw a squash plant in here, and then after that's done, I may try to do some late season potatoes in here, because potatoes is so hard for us to grow because of how our soil is here with all of the granite. So check this out. The link will be in the description. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget about our live stream tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead. God bless, and have a nice day.